everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change your profile icon to the desired avatar on Marriage the card game. So let's get started. First of all, open the Marriage app on your device. Now tap on your profile icon that's on the top left corner of your screen. Again, tap on your profile icon and then select your avatar. You can also slide down until you find the avatar of your choice. Once you pick an avatar, tap on the done button. And that's it. This is how you can select a new avatar as your profile icon on Marriage the card game. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.